Do you suffer with an itchy scalp? I'm going to show you how to make a bicarbonate of soda rinse that might just solve your problem. Bicarbonate of soda is also known as baking soda, which is a natural and effective remedy for alleviating an itchy scalp. This is one of the biggest mistakes I see people making in their curly hair journey. It's something I used to do myself. Here's a step-by-step guide of me showing you how to use it, why you're using it, and when to use it. Don't do this or try detangling or scratching your scalp when your hair is dry. Make sure to never scratch your scalp with your nails, always use your fingertips. First things first, rinse the scalp with lukewarm water so the hair and scalp are completely drenched. Bicarb is known to be an exfoliating ingredient, and when you use it with apple cider vinegar, it can also balance your scalp's pH levels, which is so important. If it's alkaline, it can be itchy. Now let's prepare the mixture. The ingredients you'll need is bicarbonate of soda or baking soda and water. You can add apple cider vinegar, but for this, I'm only going to use bicarb and water. I'm using a capful of bicarb or a tablespoon and just add water to make a paste. This one is very potent. So I'm also going to give you another set of ingredients that's less potent. This is what my scalp looks like before I've applied the paste. You will need 2 tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda and 5 tablespoons of water to make a paste. And now it's time to apply it. So wet your hair thoroughly. You can part your hair into sections for easier application and then gently massage the baking soda paste onto your scalp using your fingertips. Focus on the itchy or irritated areas. You don't have to apply it to your whole scalp. There are a number of reasons that your scalp is itchy. You could be treating it for dandruff or buildup when it's actually dry scalp. Now, the one that has 2 tablespoons of bicarb and 5 tablespoons of water, you can leave it on your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Avoid leaving it in any longer, as baking soda can be very drying. Now, the one I'm doing, which is potent, you only leave it in for 1 minute. Don't leave it in any longer. How often should you use this? You can use it once a week for mild scalp issues. If you have a sensitive scalp, you need to only use this once every 2 weeks, as it can really dry out your scalp. This is not something you do every day or every month. It's only when necessary. Step 4 is time to rinse it out thoroughly. Make sure you rinse your hair with lukewarm water to remove everything. Any trace of this baking soda is not good to stay on your scalp. And then you can follow up with a gentle shampoo, which is what I'm using. So don't use shampoos with sulfate or silicone. You want a curly girl friendly shampoo. I'm using the Noughty Wave Hello Curl Defining Shampoo. This one is good. So good. And I'm going to shampoo my hair twice just to make sure I've removed every bit of this bicarb. Why would you use bicarbonate of soda for your scalp? Number 1, exfoliation. Bicarbonate of soda helps you remove dead skin cells and build-up. Yeah, so it's like a clarifying shampoo. Number 2, it balances your pH levels. It can restore the balance to an overly oily or irritated scalp temporarily. And number 3, it's got antimicrobial properties, which can remove the itch caused by bacterial or fungal overgrowth. Precautions. Please avoid this if you have cuts, open sores, or extremely sensitive skin on your scalp. If you use this too much, this can mess up your natural pH, leading to dryness or irritation. Always do a patch test before applying this to your scalp. I usually say do it at the back of your head. That's where you can hide anything that may go wrong. On the upside though, This simple remedy can help stop the itchiness and leave your scalp feeling refreshed. Like, you know that feeling? You can even pair it with a hydrating routine to keep your scalp balanced and healthy. So, like, use a moisture deep conditioner instead of a protein one. And that way, your hair and your scalp will not be dry. I'm then using Phil Smith Curl Control Conditioner because, yeah, my hair needs hydration all the time, and this one is so good. I did not expect Phil Smith to have such a good conditioner, but I really like their conditioners. And just look at my scalp. The itch is gone. My hair just feels fresh and itch free. I did 2 strand twists and then I did a twist out, and these are my results. Yes, yes, yes. Look at that definition. Look at the bounce. It's working for me. I'm happy, to say the least. Once again, I just want you to know, warning, if you have dry scalp, dry skin, or conditions such as eczema, this could make it worse. So do not use it if you have sores or open sores on your scalp. Don't. It will make it worse. Go to the doctor and get it checked out first before you try any natural remedies at home. You could have any of these. Dermatitis, seborrheic dermatitis. You could have these symptoms. Psoriasis has these symptoms. It could be an allergy, which is very hard to find if you're not sure. Contact dermatitis. This is another one with the symptoms. Product buildup, ringworm, head lice, dandruff, and a dry scalp. There's so many reasons you could have an itchy scalp. If you're going to try this, subscribe and leave a comment on any other things you know that relieve your itchy scalp. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit the bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace out. When doing this cleanse, do not leave it in your hair for longer than 3 minutes. 3 minutes is too much. 1 minute is good. 2 minutes, 3 minutes is max. Do not leave it in any longer. Otherwise, your scalp will burn. This is a cleanser. Bicarbonate of soda will burn your scalp if you leave it on for too long. Disclaimer, do not leave it on for too long, okay? 1 minute, I suggest to leave it in and then wash it out. Okay? I don't want any broken scalps. I don't want any damaged scalps from this. All right?